long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, in a time when bass music and freedom of expression has long been banished by the Empire, a rebel collective gathers on Ven Lam, the last desolate planet of Outer Rim. Oh, beats of mystical powers, long thought a myth, resonate bass across the galaxy, calling to all those desperate to break free in expression of dance. You are the chosen one.
Whatever you do, may the Fourth be with you.
Just what do you think you're doing there?
With you.
Whatever you do, may the Force be with you.
Daisy, Daisy, give me